Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So this is your messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre po, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay perception of light. Okay, so ito po yung spelling para hindi kayo maligaw. Okay. So, ganyan talaga yung spelling. Okay, and yes, don't forget to follow. And sa mga naghahanap po ng healer, yan, si Kuya Dingsi naman ang pwede ninyong i-reach out. And yes, don't forget to follow rin Kuya Dingsi's FB page. Okay, thank you. So, yes, so pagdating naman sa ating mga Evil Eye items, so all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet, available in red and black string. So, okay, ganito siya. Ganyan. Meron siyang, tawag dyan, initial. Okay, initial po ng may-ari, ha, ang ilalagay. Okay, kung ibibigay ninyo, ireregalo nyo, kailangan po namin ng full name ng pagbibigyan ninyo. Okay? And, yung isa natin is garterize naman. Okay? Yeah, bracelet po, ha. Garterize. Ito yung walang initial. Okay? So, unisex. Ito rin po is unisex. Okay? Both is unisex. Okay? And syempre, our Evil Eye ring, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and tawag dyan, adjustable. Okay. And, yan. Ito naman ang ating Evil Eye necklace. Okay. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender. Okay po. So, yan siya. Okay. So, kung merong ipagbibigyan. Kung may pagbibigyan po, ha, sasabihin kung kanino. Sasabihin po yung pangalan, ha. Important po. Okay? And pagdating sa ating granter necklace, yan. Granter necklace is acrylic. Okay? Acrylic po siya. And, ang tawag dyan? Non-tarnish and hypoallergenic po. No, si granter necklace. Okay? So, si granter is taga-grant. No? Taga-grant. Okay? So, yun nga, every time na meron tayong minamanifest, no? Every time na meron tayong na-attract, we need protection. Syempre. Okay po? We need to protect our energy. Okay? So, yeah. Yun lang aking masasabi. Okay. So, feedback ni Granter. Nasa FB page po natin. Check it out. Opo. And yes, made to order po si Granter, ha. So, sa mga gustong humabol sa para makakuha, makapagpagawa ng Granter necklace, message lang po. Okay? Sa FB page ko na Fias Tarot. Okay. So, yeah, let's start. Okay. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Excuse me. Okay. Anong meron? Mensahe. Yan. Energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Okay. King of Swords. Transaction. Online transactions. Okay. Merong mabibigyan ng visa. Some of you. Merong, tawag dyan, mabibigyan ng, ang tawag dito, recognition. Yan, may mga ganyan, ha? Okay. Yeah. Meron ditong pagbubunyi. Parang ganon. Something legal. Okay. So, King of Swords. Yeah, the Chariot. Wow. Wow. Some of you, specific po ha, kung may mga legal cases, pwedeng tumakbo. Pwedeng tumakbo ulit if ever. Okay, kung gusto nyo, lalo na yung may mga nag-close na kaso, mga ganyan, pwede nyong i-open ulit and may chance na tumakbo ulit and yeah, magiging okay yung result. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Swords in reversed. Okay, that's specific. Hindi po yun para sa lahat, ha? So, meron lang akong nabasahan doon, maybe 1 or 2. Okay? So, in general, meron ditong action na pwedeng mangyari. So, some of you nga pwedeng visa to. Okay? Kasi si Chariot is travel. Energy ng travel. Okay? Oops. Okay, so, kunin ko to. The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Okay. May tatanggap ng promotion. Yeah. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles in reverse, the Four of Swords in reverse. May tatanggap ng promotion, mayroong pipirma. Okay, may mga pag-uusap dito. Yeah, see, the Empress. Yung iba rito may chance na pwedeng mapapag-usapan naman is about child or pregnancy. Kasi may nakukuha ko rito pwedeng merong magpapaalaga rin sa OB. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Meron ditong ganon, magpapaalaga sa OB. OB-GYN. Okay? Yeah. What's this Four of Swords in reverse? Let's see. The Three of Wands. May tulong na darating galing sa malayo, air signs. Lalo na nga, no, na pwedeng financial ito. Financial help. Support. Yeah. Okay. So, what else for air sign? Ating buksan muna itong ating ilaw para o diba sobrang liwanag naman. Okay. So, air signs. Ubong-ubo. Okay. The Five of Pentacles. So, energy na pwedeng someone is being needy. An earth sign. Meron ditong parang gustong ipaglaban yung karapatan niya. Yeah, meron ditong mga ipaglalaban. Meron ako nakukuha dito like titulo ng lupa. Legit, titulo ng lupa ang nakikita ko rito. Air signs, kung ano man to, may pag-uusapan dito. Okay? May mapapag-usapan dito. Magkakaroon ng tawag dyan, clarity sa kung ano man. I don't know, like, yeah. Yes. Legalizations. Yan, mga ganyan. Five of Pentacles. Two of Chalices. Okay. So, some of you, meron ditong earth sign, water sign, ang parang nagiging needy pagdating sa connection. Okay. Some of you, pwedeng kapamilya mo, kapatid mo, nanay, tatay mo, mga ganyan. Okay. So, pwede kasi masyadong malayo or pwedeng may distansya. Meron lang sigurong parang gustong humingi ng attention or tulong. Let's see, what's this Five of Pentacles? Anong ginagawa niyang Five of Pentacles na yan dyan? The Sun in reverse, yeah. Some of them, hindi sila, hindi nila pinapahalatang meron silang kailangan, pero, yeah, the Seven of Wands. Nahihiya siguro, nahihiya na parang baka tanggihan mo or what. Yeah. Kung meron mang kayong nakaaway na kapamilya nyo, relatives nyo, kamag-anak nyo, andyan yung parang sabihin nating may hiya, may lungkot na nararamdaman kung sino man siya. Yeah, the Five of Chalices. Bakit ganun ang nangyari sa amin? Pero kung romantic po ito, okay, sabihin natin, yeah, may separation dito. They're sad. Yes. And nagre-regret ito kung sino man ito. Pwedeng water sign, Leo, earth sign. Okay, so there. Next. Next is fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So, anong meron? The Queen of Wands in reversed. Okay. Meron ditong nai-insecure. Queen of Wands, please in reversed. Ano to? Tanggalin nyo raw ang insecurities nyo. Yes, hindi nyo alam yung iba. Wini-wish pa na nandyan sila sa katayuan nyo. Excuse me. Sana ako na lang si fire sign. Mga ganon. Tanggalin nyo. Oo, sinasabi rito. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, merong chance na magkaroon ng improvement pagdating sa looks. Excuse me. Yeah, sa looks. Sensya na po ha, ako inuubot talaga. Okay? Oo. Okay. What else? The Ace of Pentacles. Iba talaga, sabihin natin, excuse me, talagang gagastusan. Talagang gagastusan po, no, yung pagbabagong to. I don't know, this is like a major operation for some of you. Okay? To gain attention, to gain attraction. Excuse me. Hang on, wait lang po. Okay, so Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, that's kaperahan in general. New beginnings, new opportunities coming, doors are opening. Okay, for new opportunity. Seven of Swords. Okay. Bakit yung iba parang nilalayuan nyo to? Why? Ano tong Seven of Swords? Some of you, be careful with your finances, no? Be careful with your kaperahan kung saan itatago. Okay? Meron din dito ako nakuha na pwedeng may magnakaw. Okay? May mawala. Yeah, the King of Swords in reversed. Be careful with your money, fire signs. Be careful. Yeah. Baka maloko kayo, ha? Pera nyo. This is big money. May magagalit, yung iba. Dahil sa makukuha mo. Okay? Nandyan yung pwedeng gumawa sila ng istorya para siraan ka. Eh, yan namang si ano. Kaya nakuha niya yan. Ganto, ganyan. Okay? Yeah. Dala na yun ng inggit. Dala na yun ng galit. Okay? So, yeah. Pero, good stuff, good things is coming your way. Fire signs. Okay? So, next. What else for fire signs? The Queen of Chalices. What's with the Queen of Chalices? Seven of Pentacles. Ito, may nakakuha ko energy ng pregnant, no? Nasa 7th month na. 7th month. I don't know. Some of you, may chance na mga anak ng 7th. Nasa 7th month pa lang, mga anak na. This is future. Yes. That's channeled rin po. Okay? Okay, some of you, there's a water sign, an earth sign who is invested. Okay? So, let's see ano tong Seven of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles in reversed. So, yung iba sa inyo, may chance na sumubok mag-business. Okay, the Four of Wands in reverse. Pero ang nakuha ko rito is, sabihin natin medyo, may failure sa umpisa. Okay? The Two of Wands in reverse. Pero, eventually, kapag nakapaha mo na, no, lalo na kung gusto mo naman yung gagawin mong business, may chance na magkaroon ng progress din naman. Okay? Ganoon naman talaga, lalo na kung, tawag dyan, mga nagsisimula pa lang mag-business, no? Yung like first-timer, mga ganyan. Okay? Some of you, mayroon ako ditong nakakuhang, merong magbibigay or may magso-surprise dito. Yes, there's a surprise. It's a surprise. Mother mo, father mo, so surprise mo. Yes. Pwedeng, malaking pera to. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo uuwi. So, maybe, so surprise ninyo, like, tagon-tago yung pag-uwi nyong magaganap. Yeah. Wow. I'm seeing here pregnancy, no? For some of you. Yes. Okay. So, there. Okay. Next is water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. Water signs. Okay. The Five of Chalices. Someone is nanghihinayang. What's this Five of Chalices? The Magician in reversed. Meron ditong kukunin yung tiwala mo. Yeah. Actually, some of you, there's a Virgo. This is so specific. There's a Virgo here na talagang kakapit na sa patalim, no? Magkaroon lang ng pagbabalikan. Okay? Ano po yung kakapit na sa patalim? Some of them nagpapagawa or magpapagawa na ng ritual. Mabalik ka lang. Okay? Some of you, there's a lot of energy vampire surrounding you. Marami ring guilt trip, nanggi-guilt trip, no? Ganyan. What else? The Nine of Chalices. What's with this Nine of Chalices? The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Hindi nyo alam, yung iba sa inyo na ma-manifest nyo na yung mga gusto or yung mga, ang tawag dyan, minimithi. Okay? The Ace of Pentacles na naka-reversed. Yun nga lang, there's delay. Some of you may chance na mas magiging masaya kung mas pipiliing maging single muna. Okay? Ano tong Ace of Chalices? Ace of Pentacles in reversed. I'm seeing here surprises. Yes. Like gifts, presents. Okay. Ace of Pentacles in reversed. The Tower in reversed. Okay, the Ten of Pentacles. Yung iba, meron, maybe, some of you, hindi kayo aware na meron kayong namamanifest na something good. Okay? Sa pamamagitan ng being happy, kahit mag-isa lang. Which is pwedeng energy ito ng partnership or marriage in the near future. Yes. Hindi nyo to matataboy. Kasi nasa higher energy kayo, higher frequency kapag nasa Nine of Chalices kayo. Okay, yeah, there's someone coming in. Yeah. Okay? So, kahit anong iwas ang gawin nyo dyan, kapag talaga time na, no? At ready naman na ang energy mo, yes. May kasal akong nakikita for some of you. Excuse me. With a Scorpio, Earth sign. Yeah. King of Wands. Some of you, pwedeng nagmamanifest kayo ng business or specific person maybe. Hang on. Wait lang po. Okay. So, King of Wands, tayo tumigil. Okay, King of Wands. What's this? Water sign. Pasensya na po ha kasi ako'y ubong-ubo na. Kailangan kong iubo. Ako'y nahihiya namang umubo. Oo. King of Wands. Strength. Someone will pursue you. Yeah. A fire sign. Aries, Leo, and Sag. Okay. Oh. Some of you, pagdating sa workplace, if ever, meron ditong may mag-stand out. Like, may mabibigyan ng merit, like that. May mabibigyan ng something like, yeah, something na pwedeng sabihin nating mabibigyang, parang mas magiging okay. Like, pundasyon, parang magiging ganyan. Okay? Pwedeng sinasabi rito, this is like management. Yeah. Let's see. What's this? Strength. Yeah, the King of Swords. Pwedeng promotion. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. See? This is nice. Going to something much better. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. This is changes. This is good energy. Okay? Na pwedeng darating sa inyo. Yeah. Kaperahan. Pwedeng kasama nito is commitments talaga. Okay? Andito yung mga pagpapatibay. Yan. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Some of you, this is talking about legalizations. Anything legal. Okay? Anyway, iba sa inyo, meron dalawang person ang pwedeng dumating pa sa buhay nyo. Mga pababae, mga palalaki. Yeah. Okay? Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction for Earth signs. Anong meron sa mga earth signs? King of Swords. Okay. May narinig ako. That is power. Power. Let's see. King of Swords. The Ten of Chalices in reversed. Control. Ruler. What's this Ten of Chalices in reversed? The Five of Chalices. Meron ditong gusto ng kaliwanagan, no? Parang gusto ng katotohanan pagdating sa isang sitwasyon. Meron ditong nagre-regret dahil nakagawa ng hindi maganda sa iyo before. Pwedeng water sign, a lot of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Ngayon gusto nila na maging tama sila pagdating sa iyo. Some of them, this is your past person. Okay. What else? The Four of Chalices. Meron ditong parang nagtatampo or magtatampo. What's this Four of Chalices? Strength. A water sign or a Leo. Pwedeng nakakaramdam ng pang-ignore. Okay? Feeling left out. Let's see, what's this Four of Chalices? Yeah, the Four of Swords. Parang hindi maganda yung komunikasyon. Some of you, you're in a breakup with this person or talagang no contact lang kayo nitong taong to. Okay? Pwedeng nagtatampo. Meron ditong masama ang loob. Yeah. Some of you, pwedeng friend mo. Na pwedeng nakasamaan mo nga ng loob. If not, this is your someone na pwedeng gusto ng reconnection or communication with you. But then, there's blockages. Okay? Someone is thinking of you a lot. Someone, a water sign. Why this is saying strength. So, ano tong strength? Yung the Seven of Wands in reversed. Parang feeling nitong taong ito is parang wala siyang magagawa pagdating sa sitwasyon nyo. I think gusto ka niya, pero bakit ganon hindi pwedeng maging kayo? Pwedeng Cancer, the Chariot in reverse, pero hindi ka nito magawang alisan. Hindi ka nito kayang iwan, hindi ka nito kayang layuan, kalimutan. No, mahirap para sa kanya. What else? Earth signs. Wheel of Fortune in reversed. What's that? Justice. Woo. After. Okay, ito po ha. Sa lahat ng hindi nakakakuha ng magandang balanse ngayon sa sitwasyon, feeling shaky, rocky, in the end, lalabas yung magiging patas sa'yo si universe. The Justice. Okay? Kung hindi ngayon nagiging sabihin nating luck, hindi nyo nakukuha yung mga gusto nyo, parang napaka ganit naman ng suwerte, O parang ganyan in the end. Some of you, kung kayo itong matututong aralin kung anong dapat, like, kung anong mga dapat baguhin, may chance na makaalis kayo sa lower frequency at maka-align sa higher frequency. So, nandun kasi, no, excuse me, yung mga mas magagandang oportunidad. Wheel of Fortune, let's see, what's this? What's with this Wheel of Fortune in reversed? Yeah, see, the Four of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, may chance lagi lang ding sa bahay-bahay lang, ganto ganyan. I don't know, something like walang action. Like, as is. Parang ganun. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you're like a single mother or a single father. Okay? Eventually, kung ilalabas mo yung sarili mo sa comfort zone, may chance rito ng progress, stability. Kahit sabihin mo, tawag dyan, single mother or single father ka, that is so specific. Okay? Pero if not, ganun rin. Kung hindi mo ilalabas yung sarili mo sa comfort zone mo, walang chance ng improvement. Okay? The justice is here. Sabihin natin yung nabanggit ko na mga single mother at single father, may chance ng marriage. May tatanggap at may tatanggap sa inyo eventually. Meron po. Okay? So, kung gusto mo, meron naman talaga. Okay? Sa ngayon kasi, wala. The Lovers. Ito yung current. Ito yung nasa itaas. Ito yung pwedeng mangyari. Ito yung ikaw. Okay? So, yeah. Again, the Hierophant in reverse. This is commitments. And the Eight of Wands in reverse. Meaning, there's a lot of delay pagdating sa inyo. Okay? So, may chance na kung babaguhin mo nga at magte-take risk ka, like leap of faith, mga ganyan. So, yeah, may chance ng progress or improvement in the near future for you. Okay? Ganun lang naman. Aalign ka sa mas mataas na frequency. Hindi yan bababa para sa'yo. Tandaan mo yun. Okay? Kung ano lang ang meron ka na frequency, yun lang ang makukuha mo. Kapantay mo lang. Okay? Ganun lang siya. So, anyway, yun ang ating mga reading, pagdating sa inyo. All signs again. Yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!